Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is "The Instant the Neighbor Knew." Wait, you know I give it to you raw and uncut, man. I mess up sometimes too. I'm not perfect now. I'm not perfect, but the title of the video is "The Instant the Neighbor from Hell Knew They Were in Big Trouble." All right, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they are talking about here.
You're about 1 second from getting put in.
For what? Okay. You motherfuckers better let me go. Treat me like I'm a animal anyway. I might as well tear the up. I live in the hood, baby. I'm from the streets. I'm not scared of none of that I want to fight one-on-one.
On February 12, 2024, officers responded to a residence following a report of a woman trespassing on a man's front yard and threatening him.
Okay.
Block what I just found about walking that way.
Who is? Do you know her? I don't know who she is. Okay. Do you want to press charges on her? Okay. So she was walking on your property.
Yeah.
You told her to leave. She left, and then as you're backing up the.
I know my rights, though. I'm not. No, I'm not. That house is empty, honey. Okay. Don't nobody live there.
Right?
Yeah, he wants to press charges.
He don't live there no more. He's mad he's put out. He mad he got put out.
You have your ID on you?
No, I don't. I live right around the corner.
You're about 1 second from getting put in.
For what?
Okay. No, I'm done with your ID. You're going in.
Knock it up. He's so
Stop.
I swear to you, motherfuckers better let me go.
You're under arrest.
You better let me go. Under arrest for what? You're lost.
You're definitely going to jail now.
I'll be right out.
Okay. Now we can make sure you don't have a gun, all right?
Don't touch me.
Yeah, you're under arrest. Very avoidable, man.
Barry, how? How? Because I know my rights, and I ain't finna let you just do what you want. You got me f***ed up. Get my hat.
Don't forget it.
If I get out of jail and I ain't got my hat, I'll be fine. I better and take my dog home.
Where do you live at?
You up?
Where do you live at?
So, apparently she threatened to kill him.
Okay.
So, I asked him to go press charges.
Well, we'll do, I'm gonna do obstructing. Yeah, just get some more info on what, because I'll do the original on this. I'm gonna send her for obstructing anyway, so.
Sorry, I was trying to be cool until she...
Oh, it's fine. I just wanted to double check you now.
Right. I got you. Okay, come on, puppy. Come on. Come on. Come on, puppy. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, so, and she was in the back at this point? Okay, and you came out the front, you told her to leave your property. She left. Which way did she go when she left? Okay, what were all the threats that she was saying? Okay, I'm going to shoot you. I have a gun. I'm going to beat your ass. An automatic.
Yes.
Okay, leather one. Okay. After she was making those threats, were you in the car or out of the car? Okay, do you have any video of it or anything? No. Okay, you don't got any security cameras or anything? Okay.
Do I talk to the lawyer and have him present with you?
Do you know where her dog went?
It ran off.
Ran off?
I tried to.
I know, I tried to get her.
It went down.
Okay.
She said it does.
Okay. So he said it's not his house, it's his mom's house who he's dog sitting for. And,
Is this his ex-girlfriend or something? Or why does...
He has no idea who she is. No idea.
What?
He has no idea.
So, didn't you give a name for him?
Uh-oh. I don't, he might have. No, what's your name? Yeah.
That's dispatch says. So.
Okay, I have to go ask because I asked him. I was like, "How do you know her?" And he was like, "I don't. I have no idea."
Get out.
Yeah,
Get the f out, bitch.
I'll do the original.
Okay.
Well, clearly this lady has like maybe some mental health issues or something like that. If the victim doesn't even know who she is and she's just like napping like this, I mean, she's, you know, we can tell she not wrapped too tight. She might be cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, you know what I mean?
I know.
So he doesn't know her. She, I guess, apparently said, "My name's TT." You could tell.
Oh, okay.
Police stuff.
She's over at house. I guess you don't work that anymore, but it was a big problem also. She was walking, I guess, started threatening him and saying, for whatever reason, she was saying to me that she wants his house. I think she's nuts. She's property owner. We went. He said that she's getting me down, so I was like, okay, get her gun. She said, don't touch me. And then I just did this.
What's your name? Andrea? Andrea.
Treat me like I'm a animal anyway. I might as well tear the up.
Hey, Miss Hollins, I'm Sergeant Calvo. I'm just here because my officer told me that he had to use force on you. Can you want to talk to me
Did
about
not
that?
have to use force.
Well, tell me what happened.
I was walking back around the corner. Okay, this what happened. A friend of mine moved out of the house over here, down the street.
Well, I don't care about all that.
Okay,
I'm just
so I'm
about
walking stuff home, but I was going through cuts. This house here is not lived in. It's empty. He's moving out of it because he has to move out of it. So I cut through. My cousin lives right here. I put the stools because it was too much for me to carry all at once.
Sergeant just wants to know about the incident about that he had to use force, not about the whole backstory of why, you know, all of that. Are you hurt? That's really what he want to know.
So I had a stool sitting on the side of the house. I go through the cut. He just so happened to pull up in the driveway, get the off my property and follow me all the way through. And I told him, get that bitch. If you touch me, I'm going to beat the out of you. And I'm empty. So he got in his car and continued to talk shit. And so I told him, I'm going to go take this stuff home. When you call the police, I'm going to meet y'all back around here so I can say my side of the story. You know what I'm saying? Because what part of that do you see trespassing? He don't live there. He's moved out of it.
Right. So my officers stopped you, correct? And then they told you that they were going to pat you down?
He said he was going to, I said, am I under arrest? He said, no. Well, what the fuck are you going to touch me for then?
Well, he has lawful authority
Why?
to pat you down. Well, because somebody called in saying that you were threatening to shoot him.
Okay. Well, I didn't. Obviously.
Right. So he's got a legal justification to pat you down.
Well, he
so
didn't
what?
say that.
Okay.
So automatically I took the
He doesn't have to. So he goes hands on with you, and what did you do? You pulled away from him?
Hell yeah, because what the you touched me for? I'm going to defend myself. I don't care what gun. I live in the hood, baby. I'm from the streets. I'm not scared of none of that.
Okay. So you pulled away. Did he tell you to stop resisting?
Stop resisting and her bitch jumped in it too.
Yeah, her bitch.
Yeah.
That one?
The fat that I want to fight one-on-one.
Okay.
With her weak ass. I'm tired of them picking with me. I'm tired of this. And I'm the only one that gets punished all the time, and I'm the only one who ain't f***ing with nobody. But once I start, y'all gonna wish I stopped.
You seem a little agitated.
I am.
Why is it?
I believe everybody in this circle knows why the f*** I am.
I don't even know you, Andrea. I've never met you. Andrea, is it?
I'm just dealing with a lot.
I'm sure everybody's got their own going on.
And it's just constant. And
Well, you just got to understand though, if my officers, if any of the officers say, hey, I'm just going to touch you and pat you down.
Up if they touch me ever again for no reason.
Well,
I'm telling you.
If you would have gone with the program, he could have explained.
I don't have to go with something that was not
honestly,
legal. I did not show no threat. I put my hands up, all of that shit. He had no business putting his beaters on me.
You got anything else for me, Andrea? Did he just take you down in the grass?
I was in the concrete, not in the grass. I'm straight the f up. I'm pissed, man. This is gonna stop, I'm telling you, or I'm gonna give y'all the show y'all want. I'm tired of this.
Nobody wants a show. I don't think
I'm tired of y'all with me, dog.
Well, we're not we got cold on you, so.
And always. Because motherfuckers pick and pick until I them up.
Seems like there's a common denominator.
Yeah, they ain't no.
All right. We ain't gotta be doing the back and forth, man. Just figure out, because she said that she scraped up. So all you really gotta do is just figure out, do you want medical attention? If not, you know, let's move on with this, man. Bring her down to the precinct, and hey, that's it, man.
Common denominator. I'm gonna start.
What's that?
Ass up.
Oh, nice. You can probably roll that window up. I think we're done.
I'll be right out.
The woman was charged with obstructing an officer, resisting a peace officer, assault, and failure to appear.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.